All right, here's the 25-cent tour of these studio efficiency on wheels. All right, so here I have Walmart drawers, and then I doubled up on the back. Okay, those are my solar collecting cells. And over here I have tools, propane, a little broom, my grill, other supplies. And over here I have clothing. The top shelf is now full because I'm doing double duty. I'm doing these, camping in mountains and inland and all that, and then all this over here is wetsuit and my snorkeling and windsurfing gear, my snorkel and all that, because I'm going to Pensacola after here. All right, so I have a tent that I have set up for in case it rains, kitchen, because that's the kitchen. Also emergency bathroom if I cannot get all the way to the bathroom way over there. And, okay, this is the bed, and I added these yesterday. I bought in Flagstaff this memory foam. It's a 2-inch thick thing, and that's my bed. And it goes all the way to the end. Since I'm 6'2", used to be 6'3", I think I'm down to 6'1". As the older I get, the shorter I get. And that's my 20 Fahrenheit sleeping bag. This is my heater, propane heater. So I have my fishing gear here, and under here I have some food supplies, dry goods, chips and stuff. I have more propane here. Over here is the driver's side, which at night I set up for privacy. And that's my cooler over there. Pretty good capacity. I got a lot of stuff, and